Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and I'm here to show you how to knit with raffia. I have two different kinds of raffia here, two different colors, and you could knit with both together, or you could knit them separately, or you could combine them in some other way. But first we'll just start with one color. I'm going to cast on just as I would cast on with any other material. I'm using larger needles. It'll have a little bit lacier effect, but you could use smaller needles as well. It depends on how compact you want it. Depends on what you want to do with it. You could make coasters out of this. You could make placemats. The one drawback, though, you see that the string is not very long. So I'm going to add another piece on. And I'm going to add it not the way I would add another color. I'm going to make a knot and pull it really tight and cut it off really small. And I think that's going to hold nicely. It's not really hard to knit with raffia. Might seem a little odd, but it works up nicely. You might split the raffia from time to time, so you might need to watch out for that. I'm going to do one more row so that you can see how that knot will incorporate. So there you have it. I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and that was How to Knit with Raffia.